fool doesn't like chocolate covered strawberries? This fool does, and this fool's going to show you how to make some chocolate covered strawberries for Valentine's Day that's right around the corner. Stay tuned. Okay, we're getting ready to make our chocolate covered strawberries, and let me show you what I'm doing here. I have got my strawberries. I've washed them and rinsed them. I'm letting them drain a little bit. I've got my fondue pot here, but you do not need a fondue pot. You can use your microwave or a double boiler to melt your chocolate. And then we have a little bit of Grand Marnier, and then this is about I believe 4 to 8 ounces of chocolate. Okay, we got our fondue pot heated up a little bit. We're going to add just a tad bit of Grand Marnier. Now this is not necessary, it's just something that we want to add to it. It does add a really great flavor to the chocolate. So now it's time to add the chocolate. Okay, we've got a little bit of milk to help our chocolate melt up here in our fondue pot. And we want to get this to a rich, thick, chocolatey mixture. Be sure and turn down your heat to keep it to where it's not going to scorch the chocolate. And we're just going to stir this up until it gets rich and chocolatey and ready to put on our strawberries. We're ready to get started dipping our strawberries. We have rinsed them off. We're going to go ahead and keep the greens on them because that's what makes them very, very beautiful. So you want to hold them by the stem in the green part and just dip them, roll them around in the chocolate, and we're going to put them on our wax paper over here. These are very expensive in our area this time of year, and so don't pay full price, make your own. They're going to be absolutely delicious. Very easy to make. You can go to the dollar store and get you a little tin, package them up and take them to your loved one. Look at that. Does that not look delicious? This has not taken a whole heck of a lot of time. So for probably 30 minutes of your time, you can make someone something that they love that's quite delicious this time of year. Doesn't take long for this chocolate to cool after you dip them in the chocolate. It cools pretty quick. Okay, we're going to let these cool a little bit before we add our white chocolate to them. And now we're going to drizzle our strawberries. Again, we're on wax paper so it doesn't stick, and looky there. These are going to be scrumptious. Okay folks, there you go. There's our homemade chocolate dipped strawberries. We are going to dig into these right after we dig into our hearty beef stew that we made earlier today. You guys stay warm. We appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. We have lots more coming up. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.